The papaya is an incredibly healthy tropical fruit, and it's consumed by people all around the world. It is full of antioxidants which reduce inflammation and fight against chronic diseases. Well-ripened papayas can be eaten raw, and unripe papayas should be cooked before they can be eaten. Papayas are well known for their incredible health benefits. So, we are going to look at 6 of them in detail. Number 1. Papaya has powerful antioxidant effects. During various metabolic processes, reactive molecules called free radicals are formed. They can promote oxidative stress and cellular damage, which can lead to many disease conditions. Antioxidants, including the carotenoids found in papayas, can neutralize these free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. Studies indicate that fermented papayas can reduce oxidative stress in older adults and in people with hypothyroidism, prediabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and liver disease. Number 2. Papaya has anti-cancer effects. According to research, lycopene found in papaya can reduce the risk of cancer. It may also be beneficial for people who already got cancer. It is postulated that most of the anti-cancer effects of papaya is attributable to its antioxidant properties. Number 3. Papaya improves heart health. Studies indicate that vitamin C and lycopene found in papaya help prevent heart disease. The antioxidants in papaya reduce the oxidation of fatty acids and slow down the progression of atherosclerosis. In addition, they also increase the protective effects of good HDL cholesterol in blood. Number 4. Papaya has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the major factors contributing to chronic disease, and unhealthy food habits and lifestyle changes can exaggerate inflammation in the body. Studies indicate that foods high in antioxidants, such as papaya, help reduce inflammatory markers. Number 5. Papaya improves digestion and helps relieve constipation. The papain enzyme in papaya makes proteins easier to digest. People in the tropics consider papaya to be a natural remedy for constipation and other symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. The seeds, leaves, and roots of papaya have shown to be effective in treating ulcers in animals and humans. Number 6. Papaya protects your skin from damage. Excessive free radical activity is believed to cause wrinkling, sagging, and other skin damage with aging. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya help protect your skin from damage and may help delay the signs of aging.